Hi and welcome to your next car on the walk around video for the 2016 16 plate 420D M Sport Gran Coupe presented in the carbon Schwartz metallic. The vehicle has a full Your Next Car M Performance body styling kit and it has been further enhanced with the 19-inch 442M alloys, which we've had professionally refurbished in the bi-colour jet black. You'll see as we make our way around, the vehicle has also got the full BMW M Sport Plus package, alongside up front the Angel Eye and Xenon headlamps. Sitting behind those very nice freshly refurbished alloys, you'll see the M Sport Plus brakes. We've got down the side, as well as the BMW gloss black air breathers. We've opted to go for just the satin side vinyls. As part of that M Sport Plus package, you do get the sun protection glazing on the rear windows. The interior for this 4 Series is the full black Dakota leather, which for front passengers and drivers comes with the electric lumbar and heated seat option. It does come with the 6-speed manual, and we also have got that superb Harman Kardon surround sound. For the rear seats, you'll find a 3-seat Isofix rear bench with a central folding armrest. And of course, being an M Sport model, we have our fantastic darkened M Sport headlining, of course. Everything within the interior is very clean and tidy. And we shall once more again show you off just how clean and tidy all 4 alloy wheels are as we go around the vehicle. At the back, we opted to go for the carbon effect rear spoiler, which, as you can see, again works very nicely excuse me, with that carbon Schwartz metallic body colour. On all of the Gran Coupes, you will have an automatic opening and closing tailgate, which then reveals a very large boot space alongside split folding seats, removable top and bottom partial shelves to of course further enhance that boot area. Onto the driver's side, where once again we can show you the party piece for the carbon metallic black paint. So at the front portion of the car, you can see it is a darker shade of blue, and to the rear you can get a sense of the colour change, which is a real special feature for this carbon Schwartz. Again, showing you off those fresh alloys. They also come all the way around with the mixed run flat tyres. Again, showing you off just how clean and tidy this black Dakota leather is in this vehicle. And we shall now hop on inside, and I'm going to run you through this vehicle's major talking points and features, beginning with the professional wide navigation and media screen. So as you can see there, we're currently just at the home screen, and we shall start the vehicle up, and I shall start with the sat nav, which is a really user-friendly system. Anything that has it on within the BMW range, you'll find an absolute breeze to use, which is of course a really essential. In terms of keeping you connected, we've got Bluetooth, telephone and audio on this vehicle, as you can see there. We've got DAB alongside a wider range of other multimedia inputs, including both CD, DVD, music collection, which enables you to store and rip music directly to the vehicle's hard drive. And your external devices is where you compare the car for its Bluetooth audio function, along with an AUX port and a USB input as well. So there is a huge amount of choice to keep you connected for your multimedia. Down here is the dual climate controls, along with where you'll find the switches for these heated seats. This vehicle's covered just over 70,000 miles. Despite that slightly higher mileage, remembering of course the age of the car, hopefully throughout the video you've seen it's very clean and tidy. It also comes with cruise control, speed limiter, voice and volume controls, and we shall go ahead and check out its vehicle service status and requirements, which is of course all on the professional wide navigation and media screen. As you can see, everything is highlighted in green, and going through those items you can see the engine oil is not due for 10,000 miles. Both front and rear brake pads due in 37,000 on the front and 39 on the rear, which is of course great because they are those bigger M Sport Plus brakes. Service history wise, we've got service history with BMW right all the way up to 53,000 miles, and there is also some service history as well with some service invoices from an independent. So there is a short look around at this wonderful 420D. I'm hoping you've enjoyed it and found it useful. And of course, should you want to get in contact with us about some more information on this wonderful car, I will always leave all of the information to do so in the description. Thank you very much guys. Do of course take care, and we shall hopefully see yourself soon. Bye bye.